Local news for Tuesday the 7th of May. Emergency services attended a logging truck rollover in Pairau Road near Opaki yesterday afternoon. The driver, suffering serious injuries, was taken to hospital. A small 3.2 quake was felt by some last night. It struck at 30 minutes to 8 at a depth of 29 kilometres, located 5 kilometres northwest of Masterton. Harlequin's King John Youth Theatre Company won the Limelight One Act Play Festival on Saturday night. The popular festival saw acts from all over the region at the Carleton Event Centre. Brooke Robertson won a Best Acting Award for her performance in Wairarapa College's King Lear, and the Judges' Special Award went to Harlequin Theatre's King John Youth Theatre for their ensemble mime for part one of their play The Box. Health Minister Dr David Clark and Associate Health Minister Dr Julianne Genter say the expansion of the free youth mental health support pilot Piki means more young people can get the help that they need. Piki was launched in Porirua in February and is now available in the Capital and Coast DHB areas. Piki supports 18 to 25-year-olds with mild to moderate mental health needs. And in sports and football from the weekend, the Wairarapa United men went down 3-1, while the women won 7-0. And in hockey, the Dalefield women lost 2-0 to Hutt United.